Present perfect tense. Welcome to our video on the present perfect verb tense in English. The present perfect is a verb tense that is used to talk about actions or events that started in the past and continue to the present. In this video, we will be covering the basic structure of present perfect sentences, the use of auxiliary verbs, and the difference between the present perfect and the simple past. The basic structure of a present perfect sentence is as follows: subject plus auxiliary verb has /have plus past participle of the main verb. For example, I have eaten breakfast. It's important to note that the auxiliary verb has is used with singular subjects, while have is used with plural subjects. Additionally, the present participle of the main verb is formed by adding ed for regular verbs and by changing the verb for irregular verbs like in I have seen. The present perfect is used to talk about actions or events that started in the past and continue to the present. For example, I have been learning English for 3 years. It's also used to talk about experiences or changes that have happened in someone's life up until now, like I have visited 4 countries. It's important to note that the present perfect is not used with specific time expressions like yesterday, last week, in 2010. For these situations, we use the simple past. In conclusion, the present perfect is a verb tense that is used to talk about actions or events that started in the past and continue to the present. Remember to use the auxiliary verb has with singular subjects and have with plural subjects, and to form the past participle of the main verb. Practice using the present perfect in your speaking and writing, and you'll be an expert in no time.